Hi, I'm Cameron Corzine, and this is my 2021 Dodge Ram 3500. I have a 8-inch BDS 4-link kit on this truck that I decided to go with because it is the perfect height that allowed me to still be able to work the truck, haul gooseneck trailers, and use it as my daily driver. I'm running Fusion front bumpers and a CSTL custom welding bed on the back end that was designed specifically for this truck and for my daily life. I own a construction company back in Texas, so this truck is designed completely around that in my daily life. The bed was made with a fuel cell. It has auxiliary speakers, all my toolboxes and flatbed for equipment. It's designed around towing large trailers and heavy equipment. We are running all banks under the hood and diff covers. This truck is wrapped in a rose gold wrap all the way throughout the cab. The tire and wheel setup we're running here are 4G Auto 26x14s up front with a 2-inch spacer in the back with Versatire 36 1450s all the way around. When I went to purchase my brand new 2021 truck, I wanted to make sure I had the best suspension and the best setup for my daily life. And so that's why I ran with BDS, because I know it's going to be durable and reliable throughout my everyday life and the ruggedness that I put this truck through. So if you want to make sure your truck is reliable and looks as good as this, go to BDS.